Hi! In front of me is iPhone 14 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Face ID and Passcode. Then scroll down again. Over here you need to click on Turn Passcode on, and following that, tap on Passcode Options. Then click on the one that you wish to set up. I will go with Custom Numeric Code. Now finally you can enter your login method, and when you're ready, choose Next at the top right corner. If you see this kind of pop-up, you need to click on Change Passcode and change it. I will go with Use Anyway though, only for this video. Now you need to verify your passcode by entering it again and tap on Done at the top right corner. Over here you can input your password for Apple ID and choose Sign In at the top right corner, but you can always click on Cancel at the top left one. Now wait a couple of seconds. Now when I go back, turn off my screen and turn it back on. As you can see, passcode is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!